The last game it was I was a bit scared because you see when we are playing at 2-2, so it needs so much concentration and I need to focus to take 1 point at a time. So I just kept on focusing and telling myself, you can do this, you can do this. So I kept on going and going, keep on knocking, and then yes, yeah, I deserve the win because I worked so hard for it. Sorry for him to because self-inflicted injury. So I'll say, okay, let's say I'm lucky, but I was well prepared. I was well prepared for him today because I've been coming here for the last 3 years. I just get to the finals, but I've not won. So this is my first victory in Kampala. So I'm so happy. I came prepared for it.
Kubanga nolugalo lolaba lolukwata laketi ne lubanga lubadde tukyeswa kwegolola bweruti mba soba kwata bulungi laketi nengezezaako mpaka onamazeeko omuzanyo gubadde hadi tubadde tukola nange mbadde nkola n'amaanyi naye izilasa olwaleero asimatuse olwasembewo teyasimatuka naye olwayasimatuse. That is the game. Today you can win, tomorrow you can lose. Wala simatuse kyenjukira era kyemmanyi kunze oluddako tagenda kuvaawo.